What is going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? I am back here with yet another video. As you can see, the Subaru is back in the garage. We had some little hiccups along the way throughout the week, so I figured I'm going to make a video. It's going to be a POV type video, but anyway, that really doesn't matter. What matters is if you guys are watching this on a Tuesday or Wednesday, that means Friday's upload is going to be an install video because I kind of feel bad on last week's upload, basically uploading the same video. So I'm going to be uploading 2 videos this week for you guys, and like I said, I had some parts coming in last week. They came in a little bit early. I hope you guys enjoy them, but that will be for Friday's upload. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. What is going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? I am back here with yet another video, and I apologize that the lighting in here is pretty bad. I'm at the car wash, and I got a lot to update you guys on. We're going to be working on my car, seeing what's wrong with it. I apologize if you hear the machine going on in the back of this, but we're going to be driving around a little bit. I know you guys, or at least I got one comment saying you wanted me to speak while driving with POV, so that's how we're going to start this video, and then tomorrow for me, but it's just gonna be throughout the video for you guys. We're gonna be working on my car. My suspension or something makes like a popping noise, so we're gonna figure out what it is. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyway, I gotta put this hat on because I gotta switch hat. Anyway, here, let's just do this. So we did the little switcheroo of hats, and yeah, the stuff I really want to talk about. If you haven't seen my last video, I talked about I had stuff coming for this car. Now I'm making this video a week ahead of time, so you guys are going to be seeing this I think the 2nd or 3rd of November, and it's just so I have a little safety net in case my car parts are a little late, which then you guys will see that video either, if my math is correct, the 9th or the 10th of November. So yeah, I'm just making this video just so you guys actually have a Friday video, because as you guys know, I upload every single Friday, and I just do not want to break the streak. But anyway, I'm still trying to get my thoughts straight and talk fluently, and yeah, the thing I want to do with my car, or stuff that's been happening with my car, I've been noticing a little popping on the front side, either the right or the left. I can't remember which one, but if you haven't watched my recent POV, as you can see, sometimes my front tires or my steering wheel will shake and vibrate, and I think that's due to the fact that my wheels may be unbalanced. I did rotate my wheels, and the front right was a little bald on the outside, and I feel like that could have something to do with it. But I've been looking up some stuff that we could actually do to try to fix the situation, and yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing this whole video. So hopefully I said everything correctly. Hopefully I said everything I wanted to say. I can't think of anything else that I really want to do, and I'm actually pretty happy that I did this in one take. And my GoPro is currently at, I can't see, I'm poking it, I think that's 1%. Anyway, so I gotta end this clip, but the next clip's basically gonna be me in the garage, and we're gonna see what is actually wrong with this Subaru. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where I left off, mainly because it's been, how long? I think a week or something. I think I left off on a Tuesday or Wednesday. It is now Tuesday of the next week, so I have no idea where I left off. But I know that I was talking about I had tire shake or something. Tire shake, and on high speeds my wheel would shake, had some thumping somewhere down there. And I read up on a couple of things, and the thumping could be my top hat bolt, and the tire shake could mean that these wheels are unbalanced, or that what's it called, they're not torqued down correctly. But we are going to be going over this, trying to find out what is wrong with this car. I really don't even know where to start. I don't even think I can, maybe if that pops off, I don't know, I'm not an expert, so this should be fun. But first things first is we should probably get under the car, see what's actually wrong with it. Hopefully I can find my creeper. Where's the creeper? There it is. All right, so get under the car, get some light down there, see if we can see anything unusual about any of the steering mechanisms, steering rack, so on and so forth. So let's just get right under here. Hopefully you guys can see well enough. Don't mind the little antifreeze leak. I know I have one. So here's the steering rack. Okay, my headband's falling off. This is great. There we go. Alright, so I got... Oh. Okay, well, Well, that's an issue. Alright, so I gotta... What is this? This is the steering rack, right? Yeah. So, I have to replace... Is it both of them? Oh. Okay, so I found one problem. Both my steering rack boots, if you can see that, are ripped. Well, that's good to know. I don't know if that would be causing the weird popping, shaking noise, but it's always good to know. Nothing's really shaking, moving. Yeah, I really don't, like I said, I'm not an expert, so I don't know what to look for or what could be wrong. Like I said, don't mind my antifreeze leak. I don't know where it's coming from. It's a Subaru thing. Yeah, if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see very well because it's on my GoPro's on my forehead, and yeah, I don't know if you, because I'm seeing with my eyes, you guys are on my forehead. I don't know if it's good or the lighting's good or you guys can see well, but I just got antifreeze in the mouth. Oh, that's a taste that you don't want to taste. Okay, so I think we're good underneath here. Yeah, it's not the prettiest, I know. It's a 2002. I got oil everywhere. It's, ugh. Don't even get me started. Okay, so, well, that's good to know. Let me see if I can get out from under here. Okay, so steering rack boots we have to replace. Like, we have 100% have to replace. Like I said, I don't even know if I can... Oops, hit my head. If I can get to this. Maybe it just comes off? I don't know. I honestly don't even know what to do, but I don't want to turn on my air compressor because that's going to be loud, but I think I have or my dad has a tool that I can check if they're torqued down correctly or not. But I kind of really want to tighten down the top hat bolt, but I hit my head again. I don't even know how I would even get it off. Maybe these 3 bolts? I don't know. I don't want to mess with that right now, but I don't even know what else would even I have to check. Oh wait, I think I have a tool. So I believe there's something, is this it? Maybe, maybe not. Yes. Okay, let's see if I remember how to use this. Wait, see if I can find the correct nut. I think it's maybe a 3/4, maybe? I don't know. I usually have my lock nut as I trip over my shoelace right there. I usually have my lock nut so I can check. But yep, okay. So put this on. Is that the right way? Yep. I put it on. Oh, it's not gonna. Oh, great. Okay, so maybe I need to put on my e-brake and all that. Yeah, alright, so everything's torqued down correctly. I know I didn't check the lock nut, but that shouldn't even matter. I say that, but it probably will matter eventually. So I think that is honestly it. I really have nothing else that I want to check on this car except for my coolant levels. I really wanted to check my coolant levels because I do have a small leak, so I have to be on top of that at all points. Let's see where it is. I think I'm a little low. I'm a little low, not too bad. Let's go to the turbo coolant reservoir. Yeah, I'm still good. I just have to keep checking on that in case it does get a little bit low. I don't want to overheat. I already overheated once, so I don't want to do that again. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Power steering's good. Brake fluid, good. Everything else, pretty much fine. Alright, so I honestly don't even know what else it could be other than the wheels being unbalanced, which I might have to get them unbalanced at some point. But, steering rack boots. That's what we have to replace next. Always something going on with these Subarus. It seems like I'm always in the garage every single week trying to fix something with this car, but you know, hey, that's just owning a Subaru. One thing after another, never really ends on maintenance, and yeah, you choose the lifestyle when you choose a Subaru. Alright, I think that's a video. Now hopefully you guys can see me through this reflection. Maybe, maybe not. I have my hood up because my hair is honestly a mess. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the POV type style, look, you can see my hands. Make sure you leave a comment down below. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you leave it a like. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And as always, guys, I'll see each and every one of you in my next upload.